Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how to use edge lighting or edge panel in Samsung phone. My phone is Samsung S8, which has a edge panel like this. It's very useful instead of toggle panel in upper of your phone, because this panel we cannot put our apps in here, and we just customize it with a little feature only. So when you to open this panel, I can put many apps that I commonly use, for example WhatsApp, Line, Keep Notes, Gmail, Drive, Chrome, and so on. Here you can customize all of the apps you want to keep up in Apps Edge. How to activate that? I'm not sure if any Samsung phone has this feature, but in S series, this feature should be there. Okay, how to doing that? You open to your settings, go to your settings, and then you can search the settings by typing of Edge. And then you can find the Edge panel. Here you can turn on or turn off this Edge panel. You have to turn on, and then you can check whether use the People Edge, Task Edge, Weather, and then Quick Tools, and then Music, and then Samsung Internet, and so on. It's so many features you can put on the Samsung Edge. And then you can edit by clicking then, and then you can put which application you want to put on your Edge. It's very useful because this Edge is always on top. If you open any application, for example I open my Gmail, this Edge panel still appear here with the gray color. You can just swipe little bit from the right to the left, or whether you put it, you can also move it. For example I will move it to the bottom, and then to other upper, and then so on, and to the left, to the right. It's up to you. My preferences is from the right screen, so I can open any application directly in fast, whatever it is, maps, calculator, calendar, and so on and so on. Okay, this Edge panel is I salute to Samsung launch this function. Actually in iPhone also has this function. I don't know what it's called, but in iPhone the icon is like, it's like a circle button. What we call, I don't know, I'm not Apple user. Okay, that's it, this tutorial. I hope it's useful for you. If you have any question, please put on the comment below. If you feel this content is helpful, please subscribe our channel. Thank you, bye.